This 24-meter high-ASRS warehouse costs around $1 to $1.5 million. But how is it actually built? This is a high-bay automated warehouse designed for pallet storage. The height is 24 meters, with high-density racking and stacker crane system. The system includes stacker cranes, steel racking structure conveyor system, and warehouse control software. The construction is divided into several stages. First, civil foundation work, then racking installation, next stacker crane installation, finally system testing and commissioning. The total investment typically includes steel structure automation equipment, installation and commissioning. The total cost usually ranges between $1 to $1.5 million. A project like this usually takes around 4 to 6 months to complete. If you are planning a high-bay ASRS warehouse, we can help you design the system and estimate your investment.